What's up everybody, it's Mike. Today I'm going to show you how to learn any skill in 10 minutes. The first thing I want to talk about is the Pareto principle, which states that 80% of results come from 20% of effort. So if you're learning a new skill, focus on the critical 20% first. If you focus on the vital 20% of a skill, you can skip a lot of the fluff and start learning new techniques immediately. Like for example, 80% of conversational Spanish comes from 100 common phrases, and 80% of guitar songs come from 4 common chords. So if you're able to get the very small crucial part of a skill, it's going to jumpstart you so far ahead than everybody else. You also need to focus on micro learning because your brain loves short and focused bursts of effort. Now scientists call this the spacing effect, where you learn better when sessions are shorter and more frequent, not long and draining. Think of your brain like a sponge where 10 minutes of effort gives your brain enough energy to soak up what it needs. So don't worry about mastering a skill 100% in the first try. Focus on starting small because this little momentum becomes your secret weapon. Alright, so if you want to learn anything in 10 minutes, the first step is defining your target. Ask yourself, what's the smallest version of the skills I want to practice? Like if you're trying to learn Spanish from scratch, start by learning 10 useful phrases. Just break down whatever you're trying to do into bite-sized pieces. And one of the most crucial parts of information is just get started. Don't get stuck wasting hours researching. You can find 2 to 5 minute tutorials for pretty much anything on YouTube. Watch one of these and get to work. You can also use mnemonic cheat codes to help you memorize things quicker. But if you really want to lock in, set a 10-minute timer and just do some practice. Deep focus with no distractions. Remember, start slow, don't aim for perfection, and just try to get the basic 20% first. Repetition is also key, so try to get a lot of practice in. There's really so much you can learn in just 10 minutes, and school and society has conditioned you to think you need years of schooling to master any certain skill. That's just not true. With the internet, there's so much you can learn so quickly if you actually take the time and effort to learn it. That being said, you can learn so efficiently. Achieving short-term success is key for your long-term goals. Your brain craves quick wins, so when you see some progress early, your brain wants to keep going. So pick one easy milestone per day and achieve that, and I promise you your motivation will follow. Learning does not have to be a difficult task. If you lock in for 10 minutes a day, I promise you can learn pretty much any skill. If you need any help with anything, book a call with me in my bio or join the Discord. As always, improve now.